for watching. So today's video is a recipe video, and with the new year I wanted to share a really easy yet healthy recipe that you can meal prep for the week. I want to start a new series where I'm showing you all of the food that I'm cooking to meal prep for work for the week, just to give you some inspiration and some ideas for your weekly meal prep. If you're interested, then definitely give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, then hello and welcome. My name is Janetta LaRose and I film all different types of videos, so there's definitely a video for you on my channel. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let's get started. To 5 large portobello mushrooms, I'm going to scrape out the insides and give them a thorough washing. The insides of the mushroom have a real earthy taste, so I always like to remove them before cooking. Make sure to dry them off very well before moving on to the next step. I'm going to drizzle the mushrooms with some olive oil and season them with some freshly ground salt and pepper. Pushing that aside, I'm going to work on the filling. Bell peppers are one of my favorite veggies, and I think the different colors look beautiful together. I'm using red, orange, and yellow of these smaller varieties and chopping them up about 4 to 5 cups worth. I'm also going to add in half of a yellow onion diced into small pieces. Feel free to sub red or white onion, but I love the sweetness that the yellow brings. Over to the stove, I'm heating up a pound of ground turkey that I already have seasoned with fresh basil, oregano, salt, and pepper. I'm going to saute this until warm and then moving on to the veggies. To the pan, I'm adding a splash of olive oil and sauteing the peppers and onions until soft. Season with Italian seasoning, salt, and pepper to taste. After about 7 minutes, I'm going to add in the can of diced tomatoes, giving that a good mix, and then adding in the ground turkey. Once the mixture has been cooked down about 8 more minutes, I'm ready to fill the mushrooms. I'm going to place 2 to 3 spoonfuls to each mushroom, depending on its size. If you have any extra filling like I did, I suggest using it in a salad or a burrito. It is so delicious, and it'll also be good in a stir fry. I'm adding in mozzarella cheese and covering the tops of each mushroom, so when it melts, it locks in that filling in place. Feel free to add some cheese to the filling as well, and you can also sub the mozzarella for 4-cheese Italian or cheddar cheese if you prefer. To the oven they go, and I'm baking them on 375 degrees for 10 minutes on the middle rack. Once cool, I'm placing them in my glass container to prep for the week. I paired my mushrooms with a side Caesar salad, and let me tell you, this kept me full for the entire rest of the day. It was so healthy and really easy to do. Okay, how easy was this recipe, am I right? I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I did eating it. Let me know in the comments down below what meal prep recipes you want to see from me. Any kind of healthy ones, any kind of decadent ones that are just really easy and quick to make. Let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to film that for you guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your week and you're hitting and crushing your goals. I hope to see you very soon. Again, if you're not already subscribed, please do so and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in a couple of days in a brand new video. Bye!